Good day everyone. In this tutorial, I will provide a step-by-step guide on how to create a form using UncleLife. To begin, it is essential to have a database already established in Notion. If you do not have one set up, please follow these instructions. Open Notion, create a new page, and utilize the /database command. Afterward, proceed to UncleLife and log into your account. From there, integrate UncleLife with Notion and grant access to the specific page that contains your database. Go to Create a Form. If you see no database found but you've connected to Notion, just wait a little. When your database shows up, click it. To add a field, first add columns in Notion. You can map these with custom blocks. But for a quick method, just go back, refresh, and click again. The new field will show up. Before you hit save, make sure you connect the field to the right column in Notion. After that, click on Save. You're now ready to either open the form directly or embed it elsewhere.